Hey everyone, my name is JLS, and this is an Ollama install tutorial for any Debian-based system, pretty much. So Pop! OS, Linux Mint, Vanilla Debian, Ubuntu, pretty much any Debian-based system. Pretty much, like, all this should work. Some prereqs that I would suggest: any NVIDIA card greater than a 2080 Super is going to work perfectly. The instructions for AMD graphics cards are a little different because of architecture differences, right? So what we're going to do, and I've already downloaded all this, so we're just going to do this again. First and foremost, you're going to go to this website. Oh shoot! Yeah, you saw my background a little bit. So you're going to go to download /Linux on Ollama.com. You're going to get your terminal. I also wanted to redo this so I could, actually speed up the footage and make it a little more interesting. So we're going to copy this command. It's going to ask me if I want to reinstall it, which I do for illustrative purposes. Yeah, so I'm actually going to pause the video right here so you can watch the full download process. I will be back in a second. All right, so that download is finished. So now for the easy part. You're going to go to ollama.com/library/llama 3.18 billion. You can pretty much install any of these models you want. I'm actually going to go back so you can see. There are, I think I just looked that up. Yeah, but there are more models that you can download. So for example, you can download a 1 billion parameter model, or the, like 3 billion parameter, even, smaller or larger models to run on your system, depending on your needs and frankly your wants. In this video, we are going to install the 8 billion parameter model because I have pretty good experience with it and it's smart enough. So you are going to come up here at the top of the page. So go to this link. You're going to copy this and you are going to paste it into your terminal, hit enter, and well, it already installed on my machine because I already installed this a few minutes ago. But yeah, it should only take, depending on your internet connection, it should only take a couple of minutes max to install the model onto your system. So what you're going to do is we're going to ask our LLM a question. You're going to ask it to summarize my favorite movie of all time, Blade Runner 2049. So yeah, let's do that. Summarize the movie. If I can type MO Blade Runner 2049. All right. So yeah, as you can see, it generates in only a few seconds. We are going to read the first couple of paragraphs to check the validity of the statement. So as it says, Blade Runner 2049 is a 2017 science fiction film directed by Denis Villeneuve, set 30 years after the events of the original Blade Runner, 1982. Here is a summary. The movie takes place in a dystopian future where synthetic humans called replicants are hunted by special police officers known as Blade Runners. The story follows Neander Wallace, Jared Leto, a powerful and wealthy entrepreneur who has developed a new line of replicants that can extend their lifespan indefinitely. That's partially wrong. So the main character of the movie is Kay, who's played by Ryan Gosling, literally me. I mean, Neander Wallace is the antagonist, so okay. Main character, LAPD officer, Officer K, is a new Blade Runner who discovers a long-buried secret: a child born to a replicant mother. The child's named David, Leto's replicant. What? Okay, this might be... So, okay. Just for clarity, this might not be an issue with the 70 billion or the 4 or 5 billion, but smaller models have a tendency to hallucinate. So unless you want to use the 4 or 5 billion parameter model, which again, the size of this is 243 gigs. So if you have the time and the patience, I highly recommend it. But yeah, it makes stuff up. So yeah, I mean, most of this information's kind of right. I don't know. I mean, doesn't even mention, joy or anything, but all right. Well, that's pretty much it. See ya.